These are the moving walkways that go from Venetian to this tower here at the Venetian in Las Vegas. These are the ones I've been looking forward to. Oh my god, these are Monty's. Look at this. This thing literally, it goes up and then down. Oh my god, I can't wait to feel this. There's a Venezia. Here we go. Oh my god, yo, that feels sick. Holy shit. Look at that, yo. That is beautiful. What the fuck? Oh my god. Look, there's Harrah's. And then the Venetian. I'll tell you just a second what this takes me to. I'm pretty sure it's some sort of like Venetian tower or something. Yo, okay, we're about to like go down. Oh my god. That feels sick as fuck. Holy shit. Oh my god, that is such a good feeling. You don't understand. And now we're going down. These are some of the most convenient moving walks I've ever seen. Oh, there's more over there. I'll ride those. Actually, I'll do those in a separate video. Oh my god. Yeah, this takes you to the... Hold up. I'll tell you this again. Yo, this is fucking lit. The Madame Tussauds. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh my god. Let's take you to this lake. To Madame Tussauds. Actually, whatever. I'll just ask in the comments. But I'm actually gonna have to do pictures for these. Alright, let me feel this. Oh my god. Oh, that feels sick. Oh my god, bro. These are brilliant. I can't believe it's still like 6 o'clock. Yeah, it looks like it's 11. Oh my god. Oh, this feels like fucking insane. You guys do not understand. You have to get a picture here too. Sorry. I'm so tempted to just sit down. But these are fucking sick. These are so admirable. There's Treasure Island and then Mirage. And then Palazzo's that way. Here's the end. Look at the houses made to look Monty. And that's it.